Hi, welcome to this tutorial video. In our previous video, we have covered you how we can register an account to create a new company. And for this video, we are going to cover you after you create a new company, you will need to set up some of the company profile, your basic information in your system. So how are we going to do that? You can go through the company on the left hand navigation bar and you go back to the company profile. In this company profile, you click on the edit button from here and then you can update your TIN number. For example, this is the TIN number. And you can update the ID type from here. Is a business register number, or is a IC, or is a passport. Normally you are in a company, you're using the BRN. And in this one, you can just input the register number as well. So normally this is the 12-digit register number. And what will be the MSIC code? And if let's say you have SSD, you just update the SSD number, everything from here as well. And once you've done everything, you can just save for this basic company informations. And after you update the basic information, you can move on to the general tab from here, and you can update like your address. What is your company address? And what is your company zip code? And what is your attention to who? Attention to which? Okay, and you can update the phone number, you can update the country, update the state, and also update the city as well. Once you've done for this basic company profile, you can go to the header in this tab, and this one you can update by clicking the edit buttons, and you just update your letterhead, and this letterhead will display on all your transaction screen as well. So for example, let's say I don't want to display my sales tax register number, and I just want to display I want to display the TIN number. I can just input the TIN number, and I want to update my MISC code. I can just update my MISC code from here, and I can just save and changes. Once I have done from this header, it will apply to your sales invoice, apply to your purchase invoice, and so on. Alright, so after that, we've done the setting on the letterhead. Then we can move on to the logo. And from this logo, in the previous video, we already cover you how we can update the logo. But just in case you want to change again in the logo, you can just click on the edit, and you can just click on this button to change to select the logo that you're looking for. Okay, if let's say you want to remove, you can just click on the remove button to remove the logo as well. And from this screen, you also can see there is called. And from this screen, you can see you can see the buttons from here is called a banner and also a square logo. So for this banner and square logo is meaning that this is the one on the top left corner. This is the one you have shown is called a banner logo. And when we hide the navigation bar, and this one is considered is a square logo. It's optional for you whether you want to change the banner and the square logo or not. So normally, if let's say you want to change the banner or the square logo, it's for those users who willing to just refer back the banner logo. They can know which company they are referring. It's optional. If let's say you want to change, you can just click on the upload file from here, and you can just upload. This is a sample banner logo. Once I upload already, the system will refresh the screen, and you can see on the top left corner, this is going to change the banner logo as well. And when you turn off the navigation bar, when you hide the navigation bar, you can see this is a square logo. It still maintain back the logo that we are using on here. Right, so let's say you don't want to use that one, you can just edit and you can reset back the original banner logo as well. So this is the basic information how are we going to setting up the company profile. And also we can see there's a setting from here, and this setting, remember in the previous video we have covered you how are we going to update the financial period. And if let's say you don't have any transactions, you are still allowed go back to the financial period. You just need to click on the setup. you are still allowed to change the physical start year months and also the account start year month as well. And this will be the cutoff date as well.
Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.